There is a massive secret hiding in plain sight within Apple's lineup, and it revolves around a device that millions of people absolutely love, yet Apple treats it like an afterthought. You already know what I am talking about: the iPad mini. For years, the tech community has been begging for a true, uncompromising, pro-level small tablet. We want the portability of a Kindle, the power of a MacBook, and the display of an iPhone Pro, all wrapped into an 8-inch form factor. And for years, Apple has given us just enough to keep us hooked, but never enough to fully satisfy that craving. But everything is about to change. The leaks, the supply chain whispers, and the undeniable shifts in Apple's overall strategy all point to one massive conclusion. The iPad mini 8 is not just going to be a spec bump. It is gearing up to be the most dramatic overhaul in the history of Apple's smallest tablet. And honestly, it might just become the only iPad you will ever need to buy. To really understand why the iPad mini 8 is going to be such a monumental release, we have to look at the massive gap Apple has created in the market. Think about it. The iPad Pro has become a ridiculously thin, incredibly powerful laptop replacement that costs a fortune. The standard iPad is the budget-friendly family tablet. The iPad Air sits awkwardly in the middle. But the mini exists in a league of its own. It is the only iPad you can comfortably hold in one hand while reading on the couch, the only one that easily slides into a small bag or even a large jacket pocket, and the only one that feels natural to pull out on a crowded subway or an airplane. It is the perfect digital notebook, the ultimate handheld gaming console, and the absolute best e-reader money can buy. Yet, despite having this incredibly loyal, almost cult-like following, Apple has historically starved the mini of its best features. We lived through the Jelly Scroll disaster. We endured the lack of high refresh rates. We watched the Pro models get gorgeous OLED screens while the mini was stuck with outdated LCD technology. But the rumblings coming from the supply chain right now indicate that Apple is finally ready to unleash the true potential of the 8-inch form factor. Let us start with the most critical, game-changing upgrade that is practically confirmed at this point: the display. For the iPad mini 8, Apple is finally saying goodbye to traditional LCD panels. We are officially entering the OLED era for the mini. If you have seen the latest iPad Pros, you know exactly what this means. Perfect inky blacks, infinite contrast ratios, colors that absolutely pop off the screen. When you are reading a book in dark mode at night, the background will actually be completely black, meaning the pixels are turned off, drastically reducing eye strain and saving battery life. When you are watching a movie letterboxed with those black bars at the top and bottom, those bars will disappear into the bezels. But it goes way deeper than just looking pretty. Moving to OLED allows the actual display assembly to be significantly thinner and lighter, which is crucial for a device whose entire identity revolves around portability. But here is the real kicker: the one feature that has been the absolute bane of the iPad mini's existence for years: promotion. 120Hz refresh rate. For a long time, the excuse was that Apple wanted to keep promotion exclusive to the Pro models to justify their massive price tags. But the tech landscape has shifted. Mid-range Android phones have 120Hz screens now. The standard for premium tech has moved, and Apple knows they can no longer release an $80 device without it.